Hi, Neneng! Your ate here in America. Tara na, saway tayo today. Today is a little different. We're going to Orlando, Florida later tonight. We are flying out for a success summit and I'm honestly very excited. This is actually very special for me because this is where the idea of my book, Financial Doctors, was inspired. So, going back, parang full circle moment. And the best part, we're going to see our business partners from all over United States. So, Neneng, samahan mo ko ha. Travel day muna tayo ngayon. Medyo busy kasi mag-i-impact naman tayo, pero exciting. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is going to be fun. Sabay tayo ha. Bukas ulit ha.